How to add button animation in Wix Studio. So to do that, what we can do is we can just head over and then click onto the button that we want to add an animation into. Once you have clicked on it, click onto this Open Inspector icon. Now in here, it should be able to open your inspector on the right sidebar. You can see this icon, which is the animations and effects. Head over and then click on that. Now we have in here these animations. It can be an entrance animation, hover animation, click, and a lot more. For example, I'll choose in here an entrance animation for this button. Click onto this ad, and then just choose right here which one you want to actually use. For example, let's choose in here this float animation. And it should be able to show us a preview of how it look like as well. Now, once you're satisfied with this, you can head over and click on publish and then just make sure to add that for this case. So that's how you add button animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped